here. Good thing I gave you.
This isn't my first time getting up off the ground in cuffs.
All right, ladies. Just gonna do a quick little pat down. Do you have anything that will poke or stick me?
What do you think?
That's why I'm asking.
I don't think so. Unless you're very creative.
I'm asking if you're creative. Obviously, we're creative. How do you think we've been so successful? I would not call this a success.
Just wait.
You haven't seen our lawyer?
Yeah, we won't be here long.
No.
You don't like my straps falling off my shoulders?
Don't worry about it. We'll get you a cute little outfit at the station.
She likes us modest.
It's okay. I actually look fantastic in orange, so I'm not mad at it.
That feels good.
You better savor it. It might be your last touch for quite some time. Oh, I doubt it. I make friends everywhere I go.
Plus we're all together.
Yeah.
How long is this gonna take?
You're on my time now, sweetheart. All right. You guys can go ahead and line up for me. It's gonna make it easier for me to walk you guys out. Go straight ahead to the door. This is not the train I wanted for the night. I bet it's not.
But I need my shoes.
I'm gonna take them off at the station anyways. Alright, let's go, Daisy. Alright, ladies, if you want to follow me over here, face the wall for me. We're gonna do a little bit of a more in-depth pat down on you.
I didn't think anyone would be at my skirt today.
It's definitely not free.
But you're cute, so that helps.
Usually not the first time I've gotten that. Right. Take a look. Yeah. Turn around for me.